this is Horner, and this is how to set up the video analysis so that you'll get all your data correct. First thing you want to do is import your video. Once you've imported your video, next thing you'll need to do is let's go ahead and set up the scale. So you want to click on the button down here, come up, and then I can see this is 10, 20, 30 centimeters. So I'm going to start here, make a line, have it stop right on the 30, and then instead of 1 meter, I want 0.3 meters. So I've done that. Next thing I need to do is set my origin of rotation. So I'm going to click on the centering button and then click right here. Now that I've done that, I need to set my video so it does the right frame rate. So I'm going to go up to the top to Options, choose Movie Options, and I want to override the frame rate to 240 if that's what you did in slow motion. And then I want it to advance the movie 5 frames after adding a new point. So I'll click OK there. Now that I've done that, I need to add my points, but before I add any points, I want to get it to the portion of the video right as that person cuts it. So I'm going to back it up a little bit here, a couple more, and get it right where it's not going to move. So it looks like about right there is where I want it. Click on the dot. Once you click on the dot and you click one time, it'll fall a little bit, and then you just want to follow it all the way down to the bottom. So I'm going to keep clicking these as quickly as I can until it falls all the way down to the bottom. So we keep going here, and you'll notice it's accelerating as it goes. And you really want to make sure that you stop right at the bottom and don't continue on because you don't want any other data. So that one's probably the last one I want to do. So now I've got all my data. Next thing I need to do is I can see inside my video analysis I have both an X and a Y value, but I need to do a new column. So I'm going to go to Data, New Calculated Column, and I want to use the Pythagorean theorem to make sure that I have the velocity that's tangent to the circle. So I'm going to call this tangent velocity, and I'm going to put tan velo, and then down here in the expression I want to do the square root of, and then I'm going to do my x velocity squared plus my y velocity squared. Now that I've done that, I can say done. It's going to add that new one, and I've got it. So when I go to my graph, I'm going to have to see the one that is my tangent, and there's my tangent one. And now I can take the straightest part of this velocity and do a linear fit, and that should give me the slope, and that should be a number that is bigger than 10 because it is looking at the edge, and that should accelerate faster than the other. And that's it.